Hello friends, I am here with Abby.
Hi.
And while I create this super simple Mother's Day card, I am going to ask Abby some questions. She doesn't know the questions. I'm going to see how well she knows her mother on this beautiful Mother's Day. So first question, what's my full name?
Tiffany Michelle Solorio.
All right. And what's my birthday?
August. I don't know the day, but I know the month and year.
August what?
August 1985.
Uh-huh.
I don't know the day though.
Okay. All right. What's my favorite color?
Purple.
Purple. Good. And my favorite food is?
Oh. That's actually a really hard one.
What do I eat a lot of?
Salsa.
Salsa, chips and salsa, huh? What's my favorite drink?
Coffee.
Coffee, yep. Let's see. Why do you love me?
Because nothing.
A lot of things? Like what?
I don't. You do a lot of stuff for us.
Like what?
And you like do the dishes and wash my clothes.
Mm-hmm.
And Mateus would be washing his own clothes.
He should, huh? He's a mama's boy. All right. What is your favorite meal I cook?
Oh. I do really like those noodles we bought. Because they take like 4 minutes to make, 5 minutes to make. But I also love biscotti.
Spaghetti. Yeah.
Yes,
So maybe you
biscotti.
just like noodles.
Yeah.
About meatloaf. You like meatloaf.
Oh yeah.
She loves meatloaf. All right, Abby, what is some of your favorite things to do with me?
Probably like watching movies and cooking and crafting and yeah.
All right, Abby, where do I love going the most?
The beach and camping.
And camping, yep.
That's
and
awesome.
Where do I like to eat if we go out to eat?
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A, yep, that's right. All right, I think that is pretty much all the time we have. Did you enjoy this little few minutes with me?
What do you think?
I don't know. Yes.
Okay, everybody, thanks so much for joining us, and happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. If you want to see more of Salvaged Patina, be sure to click this video right here. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment sharing one of your favorite memories growing up with your mom. Have a great day. Bye!